This is the wave pool. I was swimming there like 2 minutes ago. See that? Wave, as in like big waves. I'm here at Fontana Leisure Park, and this is the resort. There's a big slide over there. I've tried the buddy slide and the slide where you use the inflatables. I've also tried their lady pool over there. Grabe, ang init dito. Ayoko na mag-English. Yan yung palaka. Daming tao. It's a Monday tapos ng daming tao. How much more if weekends, di ba? Tapos, yun, daming foreigner. Ang gaganda ng mga bata dito kasi half man, half horse. Hindi, half foreign, half Filipina. Tapos, eto ako, ang taba-taba. I'm having a vacation all by myself. Fontana Leisure Park. It's almost 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Again, this is the wave pool. Look at those elephants. So there. Woo! Saya. Saya. Whee! There are trees. Over there is like the pirate, I don't know. It's more like Imperial Palace, pero it's older. Bago pa lang kasi Imperial Palace, di ba? Tapos, here are my things. As in, like, ako lang talaga mag-isa. Ayun, punta na ako ng casino.